Ever found yourself staring at Expensify, thinking, man, I wish I had that feature, but you're stuck on a plan that just doesn't cut it? You're not alone. We've all been there. Maybe your team's growing, and those basic reporting tools are starting to feel like trying to build a skyscraper with popsicle sticks. Or perhaps you're craving deeper integrations, more robust approval workflows, or just plain better control over your company's spending. Whatever the reason, you're ready to level up your Expensify game. But how exactly do you do that? Upgrading your Expensify account isn't as daunting as it might seem. It's more about understanding your needs and matching them with the right plan. First, let's talk about why you might want to upgrade. Expensify offers a tiered system, and each tier unlocks more powerful features. For instance, if you're on the free plan, you're limited in terms of user management and advanced reporting. Moving up to a paid plan gives you access to things like custom approval workflows, multiple coding categories, and deeper integrations with accounting software like QuickBooks and NetSuite. So, how do you actually make the jump? It starts right within your Expensify account. Log into your Expensify web application. In the left-hand navigation menu, you'll find a section called Settings. Click on that, and then select Account. Here, you'll see your current plan and an option to change plan. Clicking Change Plan will present you with a clear comparison of the different Expensify plans. Take your time to review the features and pricing. Think about your current pain points and the features that would address them. Do you need advanced tax tracking? Do you need to set up custom spending limits for different departments? Do you need automated report scheduling? These are the questions to ask yourself. Expensify offers detailed descriptions of each plan, so you can easily compare and contrast. Pay close attention to the number of active users included in each plan, as this will directly impact the cost. Consider your company's growth trajectory. If you anticipate adding more employees soon, it's wise to choose a plan that accommodates that growth. Once you've selected the plan that aligns with your needs, follow the prompts to confirm your upgrade. You'll be asked to review your billing information and confirm your payment method. Expensify typically offers flexible billing options, including monthly and annual subscriptions. Choosing an annual subscription often comes with a discount, so it's worth considering if you're planning on using Expensify long-term. After confirming your upgrade, you'll immediately have access to the new features. Take some time to explore the enhanced capabilities and customize your settings to match your workflow. Don't hesitate to reach out to Expensify's support team if you have any questions or need assistance. They offer excellent customer support and can help you make the most of your upgraded plan. Remember, upgrading your Expensify account is an investment in efficiency and control. It's about streamlining your expense management process and freeing up valuable time for more strategic tasks. By carefully considering your needs and choosing the right plan, you can unlock the full potential of Expensify and take your financial management to the next level. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.